Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Chrysler 200C, stock number E2172P. Only 25,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report, billet silver metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Not only low miles, but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This 200C has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat. Oh, the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, paddle shifters for when the automatic transmission is put in sport mode, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated front seats, along with dual automatic temperature control, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box. Under the hood, this 200 has a 3.6 liter V6, 295 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Nice balance of power and fuel economy, along with those 295 horses, EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon, and a city average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.